practice set 2.1. The first question is about identify with the reason which of the following are Pythagorean triplets. Identify with reason which of the following are Pythagorean triplet. अभी यहाँ पे मैंने Pythagorean triplet का definition जब दिखाया था तो उसमें बोला था कि when the question arises to verify whether the given Pythagorean triplet whether the given triplets are Pythagorean triplets, the question will be of only 3 numbers. 3 नंबर का एक क्वेश्चन होगा, उसमें से लार्जर नंबर का स्क्वायर निकालना है और जो 2 बचे नंबर है उसका स्क्वायर निकाल के इक्वल चेक करना है. So let's start. The first question is verify whether the triplets are the Pythagorean triplets. In that question, the sub question is 3, 5, 4. Now here the greater number is 5 and these two numbers are small. I mean the remaining numbers. So we will solve as 5 square is equals to 25. This is your first equation. First equation or just first you can place. No need to write the equation, just first. The next 3 square plus 4 square is equals to 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. Add both, you will get 25. This is your second. First mark, second mark, these both are same. You have to check. First is equals to second. It means 5 square is equals to 3 square plus 4 square. Okay, so you can write that the given question, the given triplets 3, 5, 4 are Pythagorean triplets. So easy. You have to write in this manner only. No need to change anything. Otherwise, if it comes for 2 marks, your marks will go down. Next, I will show of this sub question only 4 sums which are of more numbers. So let's start with the second one. Second is 4, 9, 12. Let's see about this 4, 9, 12. Now in this the greater is 12, so we will write here the square of 12. Next, the remaining was 4 and 9. So here I will write 4 square plus 9 square. 4 is 16 plus 9 square 81. We will add both. We will get 97. This is your first mark. This is your second mark. Okay, these both marks. Now first is not equals to second. Okay, first is not equals to second. It means 12 square is not equals to 4 square plus 9 square. Therefore, the given triplets are not Pythagorean triplets. Okay, I have explained you just 2 sums. You can try more of it. So let's start with the second sub question. The most important question. The second question says about angle MNT. Angle MNT is equals to 90 degree. Seg NQ is perpendicular to seg MP. MQ is equals to 9. QP is equals to 4. Find NQ. So here the diagram is also given in the question. So let's draw the diagram. MNP. This is 90 degree. Okay. This is Q. This is also 90 degree. Okay. This is the diagram. This is the given point and this is the find point. जो find करना है वो है और ये सब given है. So with the help of given and find, we will write the solution for this. Solution is angle MNP 90 degree है. NQ is perpendicular to MP. Now MQ is 9. Let's place the values. MQ is 9 and QP is 4. QP is 4. So here we have to find, sorry, not NQ is 9, MQ is 9. MQ is 9. MQ is 9, QP is 4, we have to find NQ. So let's place a question mark over here. Okay, so when we will solve, इसमें पता चल रहा है जब ऐसा डायग्राम दिया है तो something clicks to our mind. What? हाँ, theory of geometric mean, right? यही डायग्राम था ना, इसमें definition नहीं है, just a diagram. And I said you to remember this diagram or this formula. Side perpendicular to hypotenuse आया means you have to apply the theorem geometric mean. That's it. So let's see how to apply this. So what I said, the formula was side perpendicular to hypotenuse is equals to half side of hypotenuse into another half side of hypotenuse. So we will write this formula as it is. Okay, first we will write the given in triangle MNP. Angle MNP is equals to 90 degree. Sec NQ perpendicular to sec MP. Therefore, by the theorem of geometric mean, formula is as per this diagram, NQ square is equals to MQ into QP. NQ square, the value of NQ is not given, we will write this as it is. MQ is given as 9, QP is given as 4, we will write here 9 into 4 as 36. NQ square is equal to 36. Now to find NQ, we have to find NQ, not NQ square. So we will take the square root on both the sides. Take the square roots on both the sides. This square and this square root will get cancelled. We will get NQ is equals to 6. We will place here the reason by taking square on both sides. Okay, finished. This is your second sum. Now let's move on to the third sum. Fast. The third sum says angle QPR is 90 degree. Sec PM perpendicular to sec QR and QMR. QMR are coordinate. PM is 10, QM is 8. Find Q1. So let's write the find given, then find, and then solution. Okay, I am using the different pens, but while writing your exam papers, please don't use the different pens. Okay, let's write the given points. Given is angle QPR is 90 degree. Sec PM perpendicular to sec QR, Q dash M dash R. Next is PM is 10, QM is 8. Okay, now find में क्या है, only Q1, I mean side Q1. Okay, solution, let's start. There is no diagram given in this, so we will make a diagram, rough diagram for us. Okay, अब इसमें क्या बोला है, QPR 90 degree है. Okay, QPR 90 degree means what? We have to make a 90 degree triangle. 90 degree बन गया, QPR वाला QPR. Okay, now next is saying PM is perpendicular to QR. P से लेके एक लाइन जा रहा है जो कि QR से perpendicular है, but with point M. Okay, now PM is 10, QM is 8. You have to find QR, ये find करना है. Okay, so let's start. अभी इसमें यही सेम डायग्राम आया है, सेम सम as a solve with the second one. You have to try to solve the third one. Similar ना, जस्ट इसमें क्या है, MR नहीं फाइंड आउट करना है हमें. MR फाइंड आउट करने के बाद में मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 विल गेट Q1. That's it. Okay, not multiply by 2, we will add those two to get QR. Okay, So let's write given points in triangle PQR. Angle QPR is equals to 90 degree. Sec PM perpendicular to sec QR. By theory of geometric mean, points side perpendicular to hypotenuse is PM, so PM square is equals to half side of hypotenuse into half side of another half side of hypotenuse. PM square, PM is given as 10, so 10 square is equals to QM. QM is given as 8. 8 into MR. MR we don't know, we will write it as it is equals to 100. Now 100 upon 8 is equals to MR. We will divide this. 2 4s are 250, 2 2s are 225. Now 25 upon 2 is equals to MR. So MR is 12.5. Okay, 12.5. Now we have to find QR. QR is the sum of QM plus MR. So we will write here QM plus MR is equals to QM was 8, MR is 12.5. We will write here 20.5 units. QR is equals to 20.5 units. Okay, now let's see the fourth one. The fourth question says, find PR and PS using the info given in PSR triangle. Okay, so यहाँ पे एक triangle draw करके दिया हुआ है. Let's draw that triangle. This is 30 degree given, this is 90 degree given, and this is nothing. So we will use the property of, I said you that for 45, 45, 90 property, you have to identify whether the right angle triangle is of isosceles. And in case if 30 degree or 60 degree is given the triangle, you have to put up the property of that. It's 30 degree or 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हमें 60 degree लिखना पड़ेगा. Then we can use the property. यहाँ पे this is given as 6, this is S, this is P, and this is R. Let's write the find. What to find? Find PR and PS. There is nothing given info in the question. We have to use the diagram to write the given points. Solution. Given is SR is equals to 6. Angle SPR is 30 degree. Angle PSR is equals to 90 degree. So obviously angle SRP is equals to 60 degree using the property of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So here SR is 6. SR is 6. SR is 6. I have to find SP and PR. So how can I find the property? This property 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. There were two formulas in this property, side opposite to 30 degree and side opposite to 60 degree. We will use those two formulas itself to find PR and PS. So let's write those two formulas. Side opposite to 30 degree is equals to half into hypotenuse. Side opposite to 30 degree. Now here the side opposite to 30 degree is SR. We will write SR is equals to half into hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is RP. SR was 6. We will write 6. Half into RP. Here RP we have to find, and this half will go that side. So we will write here 6 into 2 is equals to RP. RP is equals to 12 units. Simple. Now let's find the another one by using the another formula of this property. The another formula of this property was side opposite to 60 degree. Side opposite to 60 degree is equals to root 3 upon 2 into hypotenuse. Now side opposite to 60 degree in this triangle is side opposite to 60 degree in this triangle is SP. We will write here SP. SP or PS. PS is equals to root 3 upon 2. Hypotenuse is simple ना, hypotenuse पहले भी देखा था, RP. In the sense PR or RP, you can write any of this. PS PR don't have, the PS को as it is रखना है. We will write here PS as it is. Now root 3 upon 2 into PR. PR क्या मिला? 12. We will write here 12 is equals to 2 cancel हो जाएगा 12 और 2 6. 6 root 3 is your answer for PS. Simple. 30 degree, 60 degree or 90 degree. Now let's